Unboxing is pretty straightforward. Just open the RevZilla box, revealing 2 KLIM boxes on the inside, and open them up. The jacket and the pants are shipped separately. There's the outfit laid out on the couch, and that's me back on, jacket and pants on, trying it on, and that's front on. And then there is the medical card pocket on the left sleeve, and a cinch strap for the neck. Here I am modeling the outfit, and as you can see, I'm no real model. But it does fit kind of baggy. This is a large. The jacket is a large, and the pants is a, I guess, 38 short. I bought it a little bit bigger than I wanted, because I figure I can always, you know, cinch it up. The neck is fairly short, and it has a little pull string at the back to tighten it up. So that's a nice feature. It's got these 2 clips there that you can clip back onto those hooks that you see on the chest. There's the front vent. I've been using that as a pocket, but you got to be careful because stuff can fall out. It doesn't go down. It just, you know, it's a side. It's basically a vent with a mesh inside. There is the medical sleeve pocket. There's my medical card. You can send away for that. You give them all your particulars and they put it on that card for you. There's a vent. That vent is on the left sleeve, and a nice little strap there to cinch up the sleeve and keep the elbow protected in the right place. Good Velcro closures on the cuffs. They work nicely over my summer gloves or under my gauntlet gloves. And there's the vent on the right side sleeve. And you can see now, I think I'm going to check out the vent that's right in front of the armpit. So that's another vent there. And then at the back, there's a vent lower down on the back on either side. So that's for the air to escape. And you can see the strap there to give it a little bit of a shape, you know, to make it more snug on you. There's the vent again. My wife is the videographer. Pants, there is a pocket there, and pretty good pocket. There's a pocket there, and also the side. Those zippers are a little bit hard to do because they're waterproof zippers, so they're kind of rubberized. That's a vent on the side of the leg, and there's a vent obviously on the left leg. And then at the back, right there, that's a vent. So as you can see, my wife is opening it up there, and when you're in the riding position, I guess it still stays open, I hope. The bottom has a nice Velcro cuff to keep it snug around your boot. There's a gusset on the inside of the waist, and that zipper thankfully goes up and down pretty easily. And then these side adjusters here, you can, you know, pull in the, actually my waist is about 37, so for a 36 it's great. It cinches up real nice, and so it should work even if I lose a little bit of inches off my gut. It should still fit. The butt is a bit baggy, but it allows you to sit nicely on the bike.
Well, good morning, folks. This is the first tour of 2020. Nice day for a ride. This is the first tour that I am going to be exclusively using my new KLIM Latitude outfit. So far it's been brilliant. The temperature this morning started out at about 55 or so, and right now it's about 58. And with the windshield of the RS in the upper position, there is still enough breeze hitting the jacket that you feel cool or coldish after an extended period of riding. So after about an hour and a half of riding on highway, and speeds up to 75, 80, I started to get cold. So so it has no liner. The Latitude jacket has no liner in it. It's expected that the wearer would provide their own underlayer, their own base layer, and I deliberately chose to wear just a t-shirt under this. So all I have is a t-shirt under the Latitude jacket, riding in 55 degrees temperature. So just then, I just put on another layer underneath. Basically what I did was I put on my hot wired heated jacket liner, which is a jacket in itself, but it's got the heated wires inside. I don't have it plugged in. I don't need to have it plugged in. It's not that cold, but I just needed that extra layer, and that makes all the difference in the world. The true acid test is going to be in the winter, in the summertime, when I need the airflow for heat, Houston heat. Well, not Houston heat, because the chances are I won't be using this in Houston. But anywhere that I go that is pretty hot, will test how good this jacket is at flowing air. As for the pants, I've got leggings on. I just put the leggings on mainly to try the leggings. I don't think that it does much. It's not heat rated, I don't believe. I think it's cool. It's for cool weather, but I just put it on there to help the pants go on easier. That's the main reason. But the engine keeps the pants pretty warm, so I don't have any problems there. So I'm basically just relying on the heat of the engine to keep my lower half warm, and so far it's been great. No complaints. According to the forecast, when we're leaving the state park to return to Houston on Monday, we should be getting some rain. So I'll be able to test not only the KLIM Latitude outfit, but I'll also be able to test the Torrent storm collar from KLIM. Just pulled into my garage after about 10 hours on the road. 10 hours of varying strengths of rain. So when we left this morning, it was barely spitting, and that continued very light rain until maybe 1 o'clock when we stopped for lunch in I got my earplug in my right ear. And we stopped for lunch in Louisiana, and then after that it started to come down more heavily. So you could say from 1 till about 6 it was good rain, good heavy rain. The suit, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of damp on the outside, but inside is dry. And there are the pants, and the KLIM Latitude outfit. Excellent job.